And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to link Strip to your WordPress site. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to link your Strip with your WordPress site, we can commonly use WooCommerce. So for online stores, WooCommerce is a very widely used platform. So first of all, you need to do is download the WooCommerce app. So once you have downloaded WooCommerce, you need to now create an account. So if you're starting a new store, then you need to simply use this as a interface to register your account as well. Now you need to simply install the Stripe Gateway plugin as well. You need to go to plugins, add new, and search for WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. It is there and you can simply tap on it and install and activate it. Now enable Stripe in your WooCommerce. Go to your WooCommerce settings and tap on payments. Once this is done, turn on the Stripe credit card or Stripe checkout. After this, connect your Stripe account by simply clicking up on setup and enter your Stripe API key. Once this is done, choose live mode or test mode and save changes. So this is how you can simply link Stripe with WooCommerce, that is your WordPress site. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.